So we want to perform the box breathing exercise. Box breathing is called this because there's four corners on a box. One, two, three, four, and each one will be done for 4 seconds. The first one is breathing through the nose on inhalation. So we're going to breathe in. That's phase one. Number two, the second corner, is holding that breath for 4 seconds. So you're going to hold that inhalation for 4 seconds. After that, we'll proceed down and we're going to exhale out through the mouth. We're blowing out a candle. And then finally, we're going to hold that exhalation for 4 seconds. In all of my therapies, I'm going to recommend that we use the crawl, walk, run principle. And this means if it's the first time you're doing a breathing exercise, you want to start low. For guidance, we'll say 2 minutes. So we're going to start low. As you become more familiar, then you can increase these and they'll become more effective. So at starting dose, 2 minutes. Increase 1 minute at a time as you start performing them routinely and with a maximum length of 10 minutes. If you perform box breathing for 10 minutes, it should be sufficient in reducing your migraine.